there he's waving to everyone, as you can see. And up the stairs he goes. And knowing him, he's going to turn away. There we go. Yep, there's the turn and wave. And into Air Force One he goes. So now it is actually Air Force One since he is on board. Looks like a bunch of his staff heading up the stairs as we speak. And the stairs are being pulled, door is closing. Look at that beautiful aircraft. And again, thank you for watching. This is Vegas Plains, live from Las Vegas, Harry Reid International Airport. We are watching President Trump on his first visit since being re-elected. As you can see, all of the cars are leaving. And that hotel in the background with the large screen is Resorts World. And here she comes. Rolling past the high roller now. And there was Tower, so he is going to turn and burn. There we go, 26 right. Perfect. He is taxiing by the Strat right now, by all the frontiers. We're getting a first look at President Trump's first departure from Las Vegas. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that head-on shot. I know you don't see me waving, but it's a try. Look at that beauty. And turn and burn, baby. Here we go. Man, listen to the roar of those engines. Liftoff. 47 is leaving Las Vegas. He actually took up most of the runway last last time Air Force One was here, he was up really quick. And of course, I'm going to Air Force One leaving Las Vegas. Headed over the Spring Mountains. Beautiful aircraft.